In this video, we will learn how to use Google Sites and create a new website using Google Sites. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. First of all, visit sites.google.com. On the following page, you will get these options. You can start a blank site by clicking plus button, or you can click on template gallery to find the available templates and choose existing template to deploy it. For the demo purpose, we will choose the small business template for restaurant. So we will click on it to import it in Google Site. Now we will edit the website. To edit it, you can click on any element, such as we will edit the restaurant name. So we have clicked on it and we can easily edit the text. We can change its color and style as well. Now, if you want to change the header type, click here. You can choose cover, large banner, or title only. I will keep title only. You can also change the site name by clicking here. You can add a logo in Google Sites by clicking add logo. Here, you can upload your logo or select it. Upload your logo by clicking upload. You can also upload your favicon from here by clicking upload. Now we have uploaded both our logo and favicon on Google Sites. Now if you scroll down, you can see an image here. To replace this image, click on it, then click the three dots. Here you will get replace image option. Now you can upload your custom one or select a new image. So we will select it, and we will use Google Images. You can simply search for any image. You can select your own image here and click insert. Now you can see the image has been replaced successfully. Similarly, if you scroll down, you can click here to add a new content block. To add new content, simply click any of your liking blocks. There are 6 different layouts available. We will select the first one. Here, we can add image on the left sidebar. To add it, simply click plus button and select image. Now go to Google Images, search for your image, choose and insert it. Now here it says that click to edit text, so you can add your text here. Now you will find bunch of options on the right sidebar, such as collapsible group, table of contents, image scroll, button, divider, spacer, social link, placeholder, and many more. So you can add any element you want to. It's simple as drag and drop or simply click on it. So we will add a button for the demo purpose. Now you need to name your button. We will add YouTube link. Then click insert to insert the link. The button has been added. We can drag and drop. By clicking it, we can update its content. Now, to add or embed a video in Google Site, click Embed. Enter the URL of video, or you can also add embed code, which could be HTML code, and click Next to add it in Google Sites. You can also embed a YouTube video by clicking the YouTube option. Then you can paste the video URL or search for the video here and select it to embed it. Now we will learn how to do the settings of Google Sites. To change the settings, you can click on this gear icon available on the top bar, or you can also find it here. Simply click to open it. There are many setting options such as navigation, brand images, viewer tools, custom domains, analytics, announcement banner. So we will walk you through one by one. First of all, in navigation, you can change the navigation mode to top or side, and you can also change the color from here, such as transparent, white, or black. For brand images, we have already changed the logo and favicon. In viewer tools, change the info icon, such as show page last updated time. You can enable it or disable it. you can show your anchor links or disable them. To add a custom domain, click custom domains, and here you can connect your custom domain by clicking connect domain. To learn how to connect a custom domain with Google Sites, watch our next video available on our YouTube channel. You can click on Analytics, and here you can add your Google Analytics tracking or measurement ID to enable analytics. You can also add an announcement banner by clicking announcement banner and check show banner. You can choose the banner color. You can add your text message. You can also add a button with your announcement. This banner will show on the top of your website. On the right sidebar, you can see there are three options such as Insert, Pages, Themes. Under Inserts, there are a bunch of options which you can drag and drop in the website. But if you click on Pages, here you will see all the pages of this template. There are 4 pages such as Home, Contact Us, Chef, and Menu. You can click on any page, then click 3 dots. There are a bunch of other options such as Make Homepage. We can duplicate this page. We can see the properties, hide from navigation, and delete it as well. But if you scroll down, you will find a plus button. If you click on it, you can add a new menu section, full page, embed. You can insert a new link, or you can add a new page as well. Now, if we go in the Themes tab, we will find bunch of themes. You can add custom ones, or you can choose any of themes. Currently, this theme, which is Diplomat, is applied. We can change the theme from here. Now, if we want to make our website public, click on Publish button, choose the web address, make sure it's available. If not, you can adjust it. You can use your own domain as well by clicking Use My Existing Domain. But we will use the free one provided by Google Sites. You can also adjust the privacy by clicking Manage. So you can choose who can view my site. Currently, it's by anyone, which means our website will be public. You can also adjust the search setting by requesting public search engines to not display your site, but we will uncheck it so Google can index our website. So finally, click Publish. Now our website has been published successfully. To view it, click the View button. You can see our website is now live and we can view it. So this is how you can use Google Sites and create a free website with Google Sites. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.